sorry about the recent lack of content. As you can hear right now, the printer's going, and this is just a quick video about something with it. But if Amazon wasn't so slow, I would already have a video of this little beauty up. So hopefully that'll be coming start of February. That's when Amazon said that order would be coming. So hope you enjoy this quick little filler video. Before we get to the actual video, I'm going to show some sneak peeks for upcoming videos. So hopefully you enjoy those. Then we'll get to the basically nothing of a video. So let's get to that. This is the new MacBook. A little bit of junk. Get out of the way. You're in the unboxing zone. Looks like definitely drunk. Let's see. USB-C lightning cable. Oh, hasn't even shipped. I had an idea. Well, what if I put a different colored ball inside? So I just got the ball right here in Cura. So we'll export that, print out the ball in a black filament, and then we'll just print out the cube itself in the white filament. And then right before it prints the top layer, we'll throw the cube in. I mean the sphere, we'll throw it in the cube. And then we'll see how that turns out. Okay, sorry about this part looking so bad. As you can see, I'm recording this on an iPhone 6s. Because I'm doing a time lapse and I don't want to have my normal phone just sitting there doing that. So I'll just cut to the other camera now. So we'll start the time lapse. And then we can print from Transflash, and that will just print out the ball. It's done. It actually looks pretty good, I think. After the ball finished, you could probably see the video that I had brim around it, but I took some sandpaper and sanded it to hopefully make it look better. And I would recommend using these support things that you click, the cylindrical supports in Cura, I believe. You can watch the video from Chep that just came out, and I'll put a link to that video right here. That one's really helpful. I just found that after I did this print, because I didn't want to use just full supports, but those would be really handy for this to prevent the sagging. You can see right here. So here's a bigger one I did. This was actually the first one I printed. It's much bigger. Phone keeps going out of focus, and the printer is getting loud. But yeah, you can see there's some real sagging. So I'd recommend using the cylindrical supports. And here's an in-between one I printed. So you can find my Thingiverse files. Will be linked down in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And there'll be better videos soon to come. Especially about this creepy 3D scan thing in my head I printed with the legs on it. The sticky tack is just so it doesn't fall down. Because it stands up, but I don't want it getting knocked. And that's just hot glue filled, but I'll explain it in the video, hopefully coming next week or later about this thing. So hope you enjoyed. See you next time.